This video will show you the basics of navigating the Equiparts online catalog. Our catalog is best viewed in full screen mode. To do that, click on the full screen button here. If you want to exit full screen mode, simply press the escape key on your keyboard. The catalog is divided into 22 sections. You can jump to a particular section by clicking on the colored tabs at the top of the catalog. Be aware that you won't be able to see all of the tabs all of the time. It all depends on where you are in the catalog and the size of your screen. There are several ways to turn the pages of our digital catalog. Clicking on any one of the four corners of the catalog will turn the page. You can also turn pages by clicking on these arrows on the side. Another way to turn pages is to use the arrow buttons in the lower right-hand corner. The double arrows take you to the first page or the last page. If you know the exact page you want to go to, you can type it directly into this box and then press Enter or Return on your keyboard. To zoom in, click the magnifying glass button located here. To zoom in further, click the plus sign here. To zoom out one step, click the minus sign. To zoom out completely, click the magnifying glass icon again. Once you are zoomed in, you can move around the page by clicking and dragging your mouse. You can also click and drag the yellow square in the spread thumbnail. Note that you will not be able to view the section tabs when you are zoomed in. The best way to start looking for what you want is to go to our table of contents at the front of the document. Click the first tab, the black tab, to go there, or type 2 in the page box. All of the entries in the table of contents are linked to their respective pages. Most table of contents entries have a range of pages. Clicking on a range of pages will always take you to the first page of that range. For example, our backflow section runs from page 124 to 141. If you click on this entry, you will be taken to page 124. From there, you can page forward through that section. Another way to find what you're looking for is to use the search box located in the upper right-hand corner. Type a word or phrase into the box. All results will appear in a list on the left side of the screen. Just click on any search result to go to that page. The results window will remain open until you click the X in the upper right-hand corner. If you would like to download our catalog so you can view it offline, click on this down arrow button. Once the PDF loads into a new window, click this button to save it to your computer. The browser I'm using is Google Chrome on a Mac operating system, so if you're using Windows or another browser, your screen will look a little different.